In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access easy mode. Over here. Now click on this gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on settings again, tap on easy mode, and click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!